Hi, Alex from NationBuilder here, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the basics of using Zapier. If you've never used Zapier before, or would like to connect NationBuilder to something else, this video is for you. Let's check it out. Well, what is Zapier and what does it do? As you can see from this page, Zapier allows you to connect NationBuilder to thousands of apps, all without the fuss of knowing how to code. You just create this app, find the NationBuilder app, and start building. Let's jump right into Zapier and show you some of the cool things that it can do. Once you log in, click Create and go to Zaps. From there, you'll be taken to the Zapier Workflow Builder where you can select your trigger and your actions. Triggers are what kicks off this workflow, and actions are just tasks that happen once the trigger occurs. So I built us an example so we can dig into some of the new features available on the latest integration. At the top, you'll notice my triggers just when a new or updated spreadsheet row is added, but you can select from any of the other apps available within Zapier. There's lots in here, so definitely check it out. In this case, let's say somebody comes into the spreadsheet row with their email address. Then I can create them within NationBuilder. So I'll map the email address. Maybe I've got first name, last name. Maybe I want to add some tags here or different information about them. I can do that all within the Create Update Person action within Zapier. Let's say I wanted to add them to a path as well. So I'll use the Update Path Journey action and I'll configure it. So maybe I'll add them to a chef path or maybe one of the other paths I've got available in NationBuilder. The step is going to show up depending on what path you have selected above. So feel free to map that as well. Next, let's say I want to enroll them in an automation. So automation within NationBuilder are usually email drip campaigns. So here I want to add them to the chef training email campaign. Maybe I've got a different one I want to select, and if you click on the menu, it'll populate all the automations you have available in your nation and show the status in parentheses. That's just a sneak peek of a few of the actions available on NationBuilder, but if you go to the action event, you've got a lot of others to choose from here. There are lots of actions to pick from, and I can't wait to see what you build. For some inspiration, here's the event RSVPs again. We've got event RSVPs that maybe they're signing up for an upcoming cooking class or something like that. We can send them a text message to remind them that the cooking class is coming up. We can log a contact in the nation to mark that we sent them a text. Maybe we wait until a day before the event as well and send them a text reminder and say, hey, don't forget to bring your spatula or something, your grilling. Another example is maybe we've got a Zoom fundraiser going on. So we've got a Zoom meeting participants, and anytime somebody joins on Zoom meeting, we want to create them inside of NationBuilder and add them as an event RSVP. We can do that with Zapier. As another example, let's say you wanted to send a card to somebody who's donated. So anytime they donate in NationBuilder, we use the Thankster integration to send them a physical mailer, like a card. And we want to log the contact in NationBuilder that we sent them the card. These are just a few examples for inspiration, but we've got a lot of other templates to show you. For more videos like this one, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't started your NationBuilder account yet, check out the description below and sign up for your free trial today. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.